great success.
So this is what we got going on now. This thing is crazy. Oh my gosh, I look like such a dork. What's up, everyone? Happy New Year. Wanted to give a quick update. I had a personal challenge for myself to get to 100 subscribers before purchasing any equipment. Wanted to get it all done with just my mobile phone, but I was running out of decent ideas I could pull off with a mobile phone. So I went ahead and just got a GoPro. I got a ton of mounts coming, a lavalier mic. So wanted to give everyone an update. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely do that now. I'm gonna basically build a library of every scooter you could buy and review its features, test ride it, give ride reports. So anyways, much love. Definitely hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. We're gonna be testing the mic. Right now I got a media mod set up, and the mic sounds pretty good to me, but I feel like when you're using the helmet chin strap mount, it's going to be hard to hear good quality audio with the helmet and the visor in the way of the sound getting to the GoPro, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this will work just fine. I do have a lavalier mic coming. Yeah, anyways, let's stop rambling and see if we can't test this audio out. We'll see.